All right, here is the video to explain how to solve 68 times 17. Okay, this was the last problem that we had in class today that I didn't get a chance to solve live. So, starting off with our ones and our ones, we know that 7 times 8 is 56. I write the 6 down here, and then I write the 5 up here. I put that plus sign so that it reminds me to add that with whatever product I calculate on the next step. Okay, so in class we circled that with yellow. Okay, then on the ones times the upper tens, okay, and we used red or pink for that one. Here to here, okay. 42, 7 times 6 is 42, and then 5 more is 47. Oh, let's change back to black so that you can see 47. All right, now that we are done using our ones place, let's add that 0 here. All right, we know that 1 times 8 is 8. And we know that this is really 10, so 10 times 8 really is 80. See? Okay. 1 times 6 is 6. If I add that up, 6, 15, and 11. Put a comma. Okay. 1,156. I'm also going to go back and correct the answer key that I posted today. I miscalculated one of the digits. I think it was a 2 and a 4 on the answer key. And I put 2 plus 4 was 8 because I was multiplying again. Whoopsie daisy, sorry. 2 plus 4 is actually 6. So please go back. If the answer key was posted for you all in Google Classroom, I'm going to go and make a correction on that. Okay? Have a great day, guys.